Hello folks, today I will introduce you xCloud, the next-gen WordPress hosting and server management website. It's a new WordPress hosting service in the market and it's mainly dedicated to WordPress website. It helps to optimize WordPress website very well. As you can see, we just automate setup, maximize performance and simplify the concept of hosting. Cloud is the most affordable option without delving into extensive details. So let's check out the features. So the one of the features is smooth integration and automation. We can automate and integrate other cloud providers, email providers, DNS management and storage providers. We can connect any cloud, DO, GCP, Vultr or Ubuntu servers. We can easily set up email. We can integrate Mailgun, SendGrid, Elastic's Mail. We can manage DNS with Cloudflare. And we can store with ease in AWS, DO spaces and S3 storage. Other feature is like one-click server creation. Any server, any provider, we can create a server in just matter of few clicks. We got root access from our source server via SSH. Another one is we can quickly WordPress setup will be done in there with few clicks. We can manage staging environments. We can get suppose strict loaning for site creation. We can use bulk site migration for multiple importing sites without any hassle. And another one is the server efficiency. We can do the seamless server management here in the xCloud. Root access is simplified, unlimited databases we have. We have all the control in real-time monitoring alerts. We have full visibility at our fingertip. We have fine-tuning of PHP settings, manage SQL and Nginx Redis. And we have auto-healing, ensure that your server is in peak in condition. Another feature is migration. So WordPress migration is absolutely free here in xCloud. We can smoothly migrate bulk websites, peacefully transfer from cPanel and shared hosting, enjoy free migration. Other feature is like we can have these kind of site rewards. We can keep our data safely locally and remotely. Instantly admins access with magic login. We have one-click WordPress plugin, theme code, everything we can update here with notifications. We have automated DNS management with Cloudflare. Keep an eye on RAM and CPU usage. We can monitor it in real-time basis. So these are the features. And in billing and support, it has simple billing, live chat support, and full server migration support. And in team, we can set up versatile roles like owner, super user, server admin. So we can manage our team here as well. So now we will talk about like is it the best Cloudways alternative for WordPress website or not? Let's look into the features of xCloud and Cloudways. So here, as you can see, xCloud provides all the features that are listed here. We will just see it and talk about one by one. So hosting type, xCloud and Cloudways provide cloud servers. Lowest plan starts with 0, and in Cloudways it starts with $11 per month. We can integrate provider Vultr, GCP or Ubuntu. We can do it on xCloud, but not on Cloudways. We have root access to the server. We have in xCloud, but not in Cloudways. Unlimited website creation we have on the board the providers. Built one-click Nginx configuration for caching plugin we have in xCloud, but not in Cloudways. Full page and Redis cache we have available in both the providers. We can integrate our cloud storage in xCloud, but not in Cloudways. We have transactional email service in both the providers. We have NZ integration in Mailgun SendGrid in both the providers. Fully WordPress focused is the feature available in xCloud, not in Cloudways. WordPress. WordPress core update feature is also available in xCloud, not in Cloudways. We have automatic security update in both the providers. Account and role management for team. This is a special feature of xCloud. And other features like which is not available in Cloudways is like multiple PHP version in the same word server. Other one is the build bulk site and server migration. Add existing database. We can do it in xCloud but not in Cloudways. One-click magic login. We can do it in xCloud but not in Cloudways. White label. It is the feature which is coming in xCloud. And money back guarantee is 14 days in xCloud but not available in Cloudways. So you guys can see this page and find out means which is the right hosting provider for you. Now we are login at Cloud and explore the features there. So here is a login dashboard. You can just go to our xCloud. Let's log in. Okay, so let's talk about some of the distinct features of xCloud that makes it different from other hosting providers. So we can see here one team management option here. So it makes the platform robust team management capabilities, allowing users to efficiently collaborate and delegate tasks. We can create multiple teams here as per our needs and requirement. Other feature is like it has compatibility with any caching plugin provider. xCloud ensures seamless compatibility with any caching plugin provider, empowering users to optimize website performance effortlessly. And it has unlimited website creation under one server. With xCloud, user can create an unlimited number of websites under a single server, providing flexibility and scalability. And one of the other most feature is automatic themes, plugins, and WordPress core updates. So here, xCloud automate the process of updating themes, plugins, and WordPress core, ensuring websites are always up to date and secure. And it has email integration with any provider. And it offers free 100 mails and email bundles. The platform offers seamless integration with any provider along with complimentary package of 100 emails and additional email bundles for enhanced communication. Also, site backup and remote storage they offer. User can easily back up their sites with remote storage options, ensuring data security and peace of mind. And also, it has a very friendly user UI. xCloud WordPress focused platform features a unique user-friendly interface designed for non-technical users. It is so much pretty simple that anybody can use this xCloud hosting provider as easy and as simple as like anything else. Setting up websites and managing them is initiative and hassle-free, requiring no coding skills. Yeah, that's right. And other feature is like affordability. Despite offering complements set of features, xCloud starts from only $5, making it highly affordable for the users of for all the budgets. And there is one most unique feature that xCloud offers here, that you can create one server and 10 sites with xCloud free trial plan. Yeah, you heard right. You can connect with one server, then you can use xCloud for free, and you can create 10 sites there. But advanced feature will be unlocked until you add a payment method. And when you can create a new server, You can see here Vulture. You can get $100 Vulture credit and get hosting free for 6 months. So you can connect your Vulture account here and you can claim this $100 free credits, and it will be sign up will be done for 180 days. So here is the dashboard. When you are in the landing for the first time, you gonna see two options available here. One is to add new server and second one is to try use playground option. If you wanna test out the platform and use free services and see what is built inside of this, then you can go ahead and with the playground version and you can just look what's happening here and what is it can offer. For now, what I gonna do is I will just create a new server first. So basically xCloud offers a free tier where you can create one server and install 10 sites inside of it. So for now we will be creating server, so I will click and add a new, and now once I do, you will see you will be landing on the page wherein you will have to access link to multiple accounts like here Vulture, DigitalOcean, Google Cloud Platform and other services. So for Vulture it is like free, you can just connect your new account and verify it and you can just start setting servers here. So as of now, what I mean by that itself, I let's say already have an account with Vulture or Google Cloud Platform or DigitalOcean, then I can directly link my xCloud account to any of these existing provider. Then it will be seamlessly integrate between these two platforms and the servers will be internally created at the GCP and billing will be done from GCP, but it will be managed by xCloud. That will give you a lot of features which were not there at GCP, which is basically IaaS provider. It doesn't have interface dedicated towards WordPress or xCloud. So if you don't have any account, then you can use Vulture. In this we will go with the tri-platform. So now we will be tri-platform option. We will be using tri-platform option. So right now we will go with playground option. Before that, let's just check out other features that xCloud provides. So we have a very lucid and user-friendly dashboard here. Right now we are in dashboard. Other things we can see like dashboard option, all servers, where we can see all the servers which we will be creating. We can see here. Then we can check out this all websites. We can manage all websites from here. And next one is the try playground option. And then we can see a search where we can search any items which we have created earlier. Then we can check out all the events here. Also we can see all the notifications which will be coming. We can see it from here. And now at the last we can manage our profile from here. We can manage our team settings. We can manage our bill and payments. We can also check out the documentation which is available out there for a quick start our new servers, also the websites. So all the information is available here, so we can use that while creating our servers. So now with no further delay, let's check out our try playground feature. So here we will just type a site title. Let's say website demo 1, add text, your GCP. So this demo will expire 24 hours after creation. Okay. This will be our auto-generated staging domain setup, which will do automatically. Then we have options of full page caching and Redis object caching. So it is already enabled. We can also check out more advanced settings. So here we can see what being applied. So here we have all the credentials that we will using once the site is created, and we can deploy script for any plugin available out there like WooCommerce. After that, database management, we can create a new database in the server. So this is our credentials that we're gonna use after creating of this server. So let's do it. You can create a free demo sites under playground, which will be removed after 24 hours. Okay. Team settings page, you can switch back to our default team again. Let's accept it. So the site in progress. We can see the progress here. So let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, so now our demo website is ready. No updates, backup inactive, playground server. You can do a magic login. Okay, so we have just server has been created. Also the WordPress has been downloaded. So now we can customize it as per our needs and deploy the website in just few minutes. So with that, we are done with this demo video, and I'm hoping you have gotten some full context from this. So go ahead and try use Cloud and let us know your thoughts on this in the comment section. I have also provided a link in the description. So check out and try this feature. See you in next video. Bye.